Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Halloween machete. The thing that Jason Voorhees uses. So this is going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? So let's kind of get into it. What I'm going to do here is, actually, one thing is, before you do that, if you like learning how to draw scary movies, Halloween stuff, if you like learning how to draw your favorite cartoons, dinosaurs, Godzilla, everything, hit the like if you like that stuff, and then press the subscribe and the bell notification. That's going to let you know when I post. Whenever I post, you're going to see a little thumbnail on your feed among all these other thumbnails, and you can decide that day what you want to draw. Stay all the way to the end of this lesson, by the way. It's only 8 minutes, so at the very end of 8 minutes, you will have a new skill. Let's jump into it. Pulling down here at an angle. Gonna keep it going actually a little bit more than that. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the handle right at the end where the blade changes into the handle. So I'm gonna draw a line across. Pulling inward. Curve. Then I'm gonna pull outward here. Down. Here. Circle. These are kind of the nuts and bolts on there and the handle keeping it together. The nuts really, I guess, the screwed in there. And I'm gonna fill this shape in here. Like so. All right, let's go to the top of the blade, the machete, and it gets a little bit bigger at the top, so I'm gonna pull a line at a curve. It's gonna be bigger than you would think, and then it's gonna pull back in a straight line. Like so. All right.
Here's something I found on the web.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here with probably colored pencil. I think that's probably the best thing. Or you can go into it with your regular pencil as well. Because what we need to do is we need a gray. And I'll just use a regular pencil to show you. Because it's kind of has this gray, black, and it's completely regular pencil. It's a 4B. And I'm going to go over here. And I'm going to kind of darken it in from the top here. And it's going to fade away. So it's going to get darker at the top and it's going to fade away as it goes down. Line over here, along the side here, to make it look, like it's reflecting off something. And you can even draw a little bit thicker on this side as well, because there is kind of a blade side. So after that, I'm going to grab a marker. You can grab just a regular colored pencil. It's going to be red though. And with this red part, I'm going to kind of draw this thing, like it's been used, like it's, like it's a horror movie, right? It's a scary movie, so it's gonna have stuff all over it. It's got blood on it. Ooh. And you can kind of put a lot of it if you like, but just kind of scatter it around, right? It's kind of fun to do that, And mostly all I can say, the best advice is to be random with it, you know? Be random. And that will really, really help when you do that. Just kind of be all over the place with it. Right on. And if you want, also, you can kind of like have some of it, come off here, like it's falling or something, or like it's being used. Usually a big blotchy, little blotchy. That stuff really, really helps. And there you go. That is a Halloween machete. If you want to put more stuff into it, you can put it, like a hand grabbing around the edge of it or something like that. It's basically Jason Voorhees' machete, so that's probably what I'm going to write in the description. But if you have anything else you want to see from Halloween or anything like that, let me know in the description. That's going to keep me up to date on what you guys want to see, and I'm going to follow it along. Thank you so much. I appreciate you sticking around. You're amazing. I love that, everybody's so nice on here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you, and I appreciate it. Also, what I want you to do is, if you got any value from this video, please hit, basically do something for the channel if you want to help us out. There's one thing you can do, and it's completely free. Completely free, and it takes 2 seconds. And that is share the video with either a friend, or even easier, press the share button here on YouTube, and it automatically shares it to, you get to pick it. Either it's Twitter or Reddit or Facebook or any of that stuff. When you share it like that, it helps the algorithm of the channel out, and it truly, truly helps us out in many ways. I know it only takes 2 seconds for you, but it's a huge, huge thing over here. So let me know, and that's pretty much it. Everybody's super nice here. I'm really glad you've stuck around this long, and I'm gonna try harder and harder to improve this channel and improve the learning on here. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time, and I will talk to you soon. Alrighty? So what I want you to do is I want you to keep it easy, and I will talk to you later.